Visla's voice cloning tool has gotten a major upgrade. You can now generate a voice using AI. Here's how it works. When you select Clone Voice, you'll now see the usual Clone Voice option and a new option, Generate AI Voice. With this new option, you can use a text prompt to describe the voice you want to create for your video projects. When you're done, click Generate to get a preview. You'll have the chance to listen to your voice before you save it to your custom voice library. If you want to generate a voice using AI while you're editing your video project, click the Audio tab here on the left, select Custom Voices, and you'll now see the option to design a custom voice for this project. You can either use the voice that Visla recommends based on the content of your project, or you can use a prompt and generate a voice from scratch. All your AI-generated voices will appear in your Custom Voices library and can be used in future or existing projects.
You can try Visla's voice design feature and many others for free at visla.us.